How to remove password, PIN, or pattern from Oneplus. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. After you open settings, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, scroll down and click on security and lock screen. After you click on security and lock screen, in here, click on lock screen passcode. Then enter your recent passcode. After that, in here at the top, you'll find None option. Click on None, which will remove pattern, PIN, and password. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to remove password, PIN, or pattern from Oneplus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.